Best believe that.
Where's the skin?
It's being made right now, actually.
Pulled on skin leg.
This is who you want.
Andre pulled the plate for sure.
Don't listen to anyone else but these two are here.
You caught me standing next to Gary, man. I raced this.
I thought Gary was getting some knowledge from me.
Oh, he's a TikTok.
He's getting
TikTok
knowledge
famous.
from me.
Still working on that blue check, but we're rooting for him.
Did you get the blue check?
No.
No?
We're pulling for him. We're pulling for him.
We're talking to people right now.
He wore sleeves. Yesterday he had a real cute cut-off sleeve shirt.
I've been hitting the gym lately.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Can you
Follow
tell?
his other
You can
account.
get in the gym with your arms, not even legs. You need legs to work this, huh?
The leg workout is skimming, so that's why I just do all upper body.
I see.
Fine.
Go. Gary, let him go, Gary.
There he goes.
Damn, even Gary said it was a crappy wave, man.
Yeah.
The guy who has no wave picking skills.
Yeah. My wave picking skills is like trial and error. Like I just go on every wave and hope it's freaking good. Like this one's probably bad. It's just trial and error though.
Cut off by a Grom 2 in a row. 2 in a row he gets cut off.
I love it.
Luke Gary, somebody.
Oh, he doesn't land the aerial. He doesn't. That's my high voice.
Andre, if I'm being honest, you might want to get the real camera out.
Are we talking about how the Brazilians get underscored?
Yeah, Italo Ferreira's air, he like punted a huge air, lands it, and then they mark him because he didn't like ride out of it for a certain amount of time.
Oh, are you trying to claim that you rode out of it?
So yeah, that was pretty much the same thing, just right there.
I see.
I landed it, and then I was just like, whatever. And then I stopped riding.
Filming Gary.
Yeah, if I talk too much, things start to go pretty bad.
Brothers.
Oh, did the same thing. That was cool.
Kind of
beaker-esque.
Yeah, that was sick.
I did do the best air of my life today while you were at home eating lunch.
Yeah.
But it was more, I think it was meant to not be
If you
seen.
figure out a way to take my memory of it,
I'll try and
out,
redo it.
And my cooking's not that good, so it's not even like I was getting some good food.
Not for mediocre cooking, missed the best air of my life. That was sharp.
I'm gonna go get this camera.
This should be really fun, guys.
Dude, best wave of the day!
Yes.
Congrats!
Got it. Thank you.
That was sick.
Sick.
Dude, so epic.
Dude, it's going off right now.
Dude,
The lineup's a little heavy, but you know, got some good heads
Do you
down
have
here.
to bag for one?
I did, honestly. It's like tooth and nail down here. Almost hit Gio, and I was like,
No, that's more. No, that's more. That was
You
sick.
getting some good shots though?
Oh, yeah. Sick.
Just 1%. I really want to.
I haven't seen you skimming like a year.
I haven't swum in like 5 months.
Is this because you've been running like a crazy person again?
I know, I hurt my legs. I'm back though. Tell Blair I'm coming for his throne. I'm not. I suck. Gio's just
So sharp.
Gio's just picking on me at this point.
Snakes on a plane.
Whoa!
That was sick.
That was sick.
Old man screwed you all.
Yep. I'll let
He's
him.
allowed.
Yep.
Unburnable.
You got some miles for that one? We're gonna get some air miles.
Leg burning. That was the farthest one I've gotten in a while.
That was sick.
It's the trusty board.
That's sick.
New little Dude Cruise 2.
Oh, Junior with the Eco Power.
kind of blowing it.
I think you guys are running out of legs.
Yeah, kind of. Billy and Timmy are getting a bunch of good ones.
Dude,
I don't want it.
you guys are so hot. You, Billy, you guys don't scheme all year and then
No.
you guys come here and you just shred.
I know, it's so
insane.
fun. Waves are super fun today.
How was it for you?
Well, I gotta put up with these guys.
Good luck. That's MVP.
He does. I was just saying, I wish I could skim like that when he went on the other one.
He doesn't skim all year, and somehow he has the legs to keep him running like all day.
You gotta learn when you're young. Hey, can't learn this when you're older.
Billy Howie is a freak of nature.
Fairy duster.
I honestly don't even recommend studying him, kind of like John Florence, just unorthodox style. You could never replicate it. One of my favorites. I think there's even a rumor on the streets that Billy is Blair's favorite skimmer. That says a lot.
Dude, I think you're the only one that has legs left.
I know. I'm just like running circles right now. It's okay. You know how to delete it. Okay, Billy just killed himself.
Just kill himself. Good.
Never seen that happen. Never ever seen that happen.
All right.
Yeah. That was a gnarly slam.
Every once in a while, a regular footer tries to complete a ride that goes a little too close to those rocks. And only the best in the business can actually complete that ride. And even the best in the business sometimes make a mistake, and that's what just happened to Billy Howie. I really hope that he can get some hydrogen peroxide and Neosporin on that thing quick. That looks pretty gnarly. Alright, skid kids. Today was not an easy day to skim, but a very interesting day. Some of the best in the business, putting it all on the line, that's for sure.
Dude,
Bro,
that's a bummer.
it was kind of gnarly. Dude. It was literally just a wave that came, like, I was like, oh, I'm gonna wrap it. And I wrapped it, and I saw the rock. I knew I was gonna get close to the rock, but I didn't realize I was gonna get like it was pushing me closer. And so I got off my board, and then as soon as I got off the board, there was so much water just pushing, and I was like, I'm going on the rock right now. And I got on the rock, didn't hit my head or anything like that, you know what I mean? Just like ended up being all right, but just, you know, I just got my knee pretty good. Like, glad to get out of it, you know, no head injury, you know, nothing like major, you know, just kind of sketchy.
Yeah, it was really scary. It was really scary watching from the beach. Oh,
right? Like, dude, I was like, I'm not gonna hit the rock right now, you know, like I've done this so many times. It's like you just kind of get kind of close to the rock, you know, but not too close. But this one was like, as soon as I got off my board, I was like, yeah, this is not gonna go well, like, you know, and it didn't. But
well, you still got MVP for today.
right on.
Congrats, my man.
Yeah.
Look, feel better soon.
Yeah, thank you, Andre.
Killed it.
Thank you. Yeah, I look forward to
Not
seeing
only
some of those clips. my
Feel
friend.
good, but you'll also got the most waves.
Yeah, no, I was running circles there for a while, dude.
You're outrunning everyone.
Right.
You gotta put everyone on your training program.
Right, yeah, no, it's push-ups, you know, body weight exercises, you know what I mean? You know?
Dude, that was sick.